Rachel's journey began with a spark, a vision to build generational wealth through child education and entrepreneurship. This wasn't about short-lived riches, it was about creating a legacy, an empire that would outlive the creator. She understood that the key to this was empowering young minds with the knowledge and skills of business. Rachel's vision birthed a program that goes beyond the typical classroom setting. It's an initiative that equips children with practical business skills and the mindset to build their own empires. It's a unique blend of learning and earning where 50% of the profits from every child-authored book feed directly into the young author's purse. One such example is Lashia's Time Trek, a journey of self-awareness. The profits from this book, penned by a young talent in the program, are being funneled into Lashia's college fund. It's a real-world testament to the impact of Rachel's vision. Rachel's mission, aptly named Building Generational Wealth with Rachel, has since spread its wings over multiple platforms. It's a YouTube channel, a Facebook community, and a vibrant space where young minds showcase their innovative business ideas and entrepreneurial ventures. It's a testament to the potential that lies within our children, a window into their future empires. Rachel's team is relentless in its commitment to education, ensuring that the next generation is not just gaining knowledge but honing practical business skills. The focus is on passive income, a forward-thinking approach that prepares children for a future where financial acumen will be a crucial life skill. In Stephanie Rachel Sanders, we see a visionary who dared to sow the seeds of financial empowerment in young minds. Her mission transcends traditional business realms, reaching deep into the hearts of the next generation, where the legacy of generational wealth is poised to blossom. Through a unique blend of initiatives, Rachel's vision instills valuable skills and fosters financial responsibility from a tender age. The success of these efforts is evident in stories like Lashia's Time Trek, a beacon of hope for a brighter future. Rachel's YouTube channel and Facebook community offer a glimpse into the seeds of generational wealth being sown. It's a commitment to educate the next generation, and every ounce of support helps make this vision a reality. So consider this an invitation to shop with us, to support a child's journey towards financial independence. Visit our websites listed below and join us in building a legacy of generational wealth, because every child deserves a chance to build their empire.